What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Monday, another week, and Bitcoin inches closer to the bullish cross on the weekly chart. We're going to get into that. We're sitting at 28K, down 3.6, continuing to follow our wave count. Seeing market cap of 543 billion. Currently in a short trade. We got in at 29.2K on the Discord, making some juicy gains. 24-hour volume 16.03. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we broke down from our Elliott wave triangle, have a nice 1-2. Looks like we're coming down in that wave 3 with a target of 26.8K. As you can see, we broke down from the triangle. We completed our wave B. The target is down here at about 25.5K. Your wave 3 target's about 26.8K. Now, let me pop over to the weekly time frame. We are coming very, very close to the weekly bullish cross. It should print next week. You'll see those EMAs cross each other. That's coming in at about 25.9, 26K. So we may only come down to about, let me see here. Let's say we bounce off 26.8. We put in a wave 4 just to give a general idea of where that wave 5 could end. Having a little bit of lag today. Yeah, so it could end around 26K, 26.3. We may not even touch back down to 25K, depending on how deep this wave 3. Obviously, if we just dump and we see a really deep wave 3, we could reach that 24, 25K range. But everyone's expecting 25K, so maybe we only hit, 25.5, 26K, even 26.5, and complete that wave C. And basically what you'd be looking at is the completion of the wave 2. And it lines up with those weekly EMAs. As you can see, that cross will come in next week at about 26K. Now, 2019 bear market, I posted this in the Discord. In May, we had the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. As you can see, the bullish cross, let me open this up. The bullish cross was right here. You're looking at about May 27th where we had the bullish cross. We got above the EMAs. We started to break out. May 27th, we had the bullish cross. So you can see how closely it's lining up to the current dates. I think there's a really good likelihood that we start to see a rally to the upside by the end of May. We print that bullish cross. If we can hold those weekly EMAs, we can see a huge breakout. Of course, anything can happen. We've been watching the head and shoulders. We are coming close to that neckline. If we break it, the target is down here at about 24.4K. But we may not come down that low. We may hold those weekly EMAs and boom, see continuation off 26K. Just as we did, as you can see, it also lines up with that 200 EMA coming through. Just as we did at the end of May in 2019, signaling that the bottom was in. We had that bullish cross, boom, huge breakout to the upside. And then we had the Corona dump. I don't think we're going to see that again. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. That's my opinion anyways. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. I haven't said that in probably 2 months. Wave 3 target, 26.8K. We broke down from the Elliott wave triangle. We're looking to complete that wave C. The wedge target's about 25.5K. As I mentioned, we could end this pullback before we hit 25K. We'll have to see how it plays out. Unless we just straight dump, which is of course possible. So we are currently in a short trade making juicy gains. You can have completely free access, 1 month free trial. If you sign up to Bitget or Bybit, do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, grab those bonuses, and then make your first deposit. I'll give you a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. Currently, we're in a Bitcoin short, making some juicy gains, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, Mahado alt plays. And you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can have free access to all chat rooms. All you have to do is sign up to one of the exchanges. However, if you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial. If you want direct access, it's only 10 USD per month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Let's make sure that's in focus. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.